Yogaha Karmasu Kaushalam.
Hello friends, once again I am with you. Related to research, I would like to talk about something. Can you tell me what is the difference between research methodology, method and technique? Do you know it? Is there any difference or are they synonyms? Are they just different words for one thing or they have different meanings? I want you to understand research methodology, method and technique. Friends, they are different. There is a difference between methodology, method and technique. Let us try to understand what is the difference. Friends, I would like to talk about what is method, methodology. So see, when we think of research method and methodology, that I would like to talk about today. I would like to tell you, let us try to understand that what is research methodology, what is research method, and what is technique. We many a time just make all one. We say that methodology, method, and technique are one, or they are synonyms. Friends, there is nothing like synonym in the world. We have studied synonyms at a lower level, but that was just for learning different aspects of language. Otherwise, why should we require more words for the same thing? Because we give different shade. There are different shades to it. For a person who doesn't understand the shades of color, all the colors are just like 7 colors or 9 colors, or maybe there are 3 colors. Like we can understand black, but there are thousands of shades of the black. We understand white only, but there are different shades of white. We understand red only, but there are different shades of red. But when you mix them, they again give you different shades. So like this, there are different shades of research methodology. Research methodology is the biggest umbrella. Under research methodology, method and technique comes. Under research methodology, everything comes. Under methodology comes method, and under method comes technique. Technique is the narrowest part. If you look at it like a structure, on a structure of pyramid, the lowest is a methodology, above it is a method, and above it is a technique. Like this, if I look at the pyramid structure, then this is a technique, this is a method, and this is a methodology. But if I go for a different kind of structure where I talk about umbrella, that is the biggest umbrella which encompasses everything, that is called methodology. Then comes method, and then comes technique. Technique is something very much pointed. Now let me give you example of methodology. If I say survey is a kind of methodology which any people can take, and you may have taken many such kind of surveys. There are many such different methodologies like experimental, descriptive, survey, ethnography, heuristic, action research, discourse-anal, and evaluation. But let us take example of survey. So survey is one of the methodology. Now under survey there comes a method, and these methods are like scaling, questionnaires, observations, interview, focus group, case study, narratives, ethnographic. So these are the methods. Like questionnaire is a method, observation is a method, and interview is a method. Now let us talk about the technique. When you talk about technique, the techniques are like I can tell you in survey methodology, questionnaire technique, you can have different ways of questionnaire. You can have open-ended questionnaire, you can have close-ended questionnaire. How the type of questionnaire you prepare, that is a technique. Exactly how will you disseminate that? How will you reach to the students using that questionnaire? Let us take example of observation. There can be observation which is known, there can be a silent observation. There can be a group who is told that, okay, you are being observed. You are under observation. There can be a group which is free, which is not under observation. So there we apply different techniques. There can be interview, like we can say that I go for unstructured interview. I just call you, okay, what is your name? What do you do? I just come to you and ask you 3-4 questions. That is also interview. But we plan properly that there is a job interview. You receive an email or you receive a letter at this time at UPSC office. You have an interview. There are 10 interview panelists. Your biodata is there. Your all data is there. And then they conduct interview. So like at a minor level, when all planning is done and it is kept like this, that is called technique. And the techniques are, there can be many techniques. Like you record notes. You write notes. That is called technique. Content analysis, that is called technique. Tap the film listening and analysis. Tap and film listening. Like you listen to tape and the film and you go for a listening analysis, that is a technique. But if you talk about the method of it, the method here is analysis of historical records. So analysis of historical records is the method, and the technique is recording notes, content analysis, tape and film listening and analysis. So that is what we do. But now if we come to the methodology, not the method, then methodology is a library research. So the biggest is a library research. Under library research methodology, there comes method. They are called analysis of historical records, or another method is called analysis of documents. So these two are very popular methods. Under that comes, if I talk about analysis of historical records, I can listen to the film, I can look at the records, I can examine the content. Under analysis of documents, that can be statistical compilation and manipulations, references, abstracts, guides, content analysis. These all are called techniques under analysis of documents. Now let us talk about field research. Say for example, there is a field research, and under field research there is one method. Field research is research methodology. Under that there are various methods like non-participant direct observation. This is one method. Another method is participant observation. That is another method. Now there is mass observation. That is another method. Mail questionnaire. That is another method. Opinionaire. That is another method. Personal interview. That is another method. Focused interview. That is another method. Group interview. Telephone survey. Case study of life history. These all are methods. Now let me tell you some techniques under the methods, like non-participant direct observation. Under that, we have observation like behavior on the scales. Use a scorecards. You have a scorecard or a scaling card. You observe people, you don't tell them, and that is non-participant direct observation. You don't participate in that, and you mark on it. Participant observation. That is interracial recording, possible use of tape recorders, photographs, or techniques. Like you record something, you video record it, you audio record it, and later on you examine it. Mass observation is recording of mass behavior, like CCTV cameras. When we go to these malls, they keep CCTV cameras. They don't just keep it for security purpose, but they use it for some meta-analysis also. So that happens. Like interview sometimes happens, or sometimes mass interviews, or like that it happens. Now, mail questionnaire. It can be, the technique can be identification of social and economic background of the respondents. That is the technique. We want to collect that, and that is why we are doing it. So like this, we have a telephone survey, and under that we can have a telephone survey technique for information and for disseminating, or we want to know the opinion. So that's why we are asking questions. So there are different kind of research methodology, methods and techniques. This is how it works. So find out question techniques for, and I would like to ask you something. Now this is the work for you, and the work is you need to find out techniques for questionnaire. Which are the techniques for questionnaire? I want to know. So you need to find out, and you can write them in comment box. Which are the techniques for observation, and which are the techniques for interview? So you can work on it, and that is how you can go for different kind of things, and you can find out this method techniques, and you can let me know that these are the techniques of it. Now when we go for anything out of this, after all, what is the purpose? Why we are looking at this types of research, and why we are looking at this much in detail? Because after all, the importance, after all, why we are doing it is for quality of research. And there are two different very important parameters of quality of research. One is reliability and another one is validity. So reliability is judged by consistency with which known method, that means instruments, produce certain measurement every time. Say for example, I take a weight of X weighing machine today, after 3 days. On the same weighing machine, same weight I keep after 10 days. For all this, if it gives me same weight, that is called reliable weight. So I process it on the same equipment, under the same controlled environment, repeatedly at the intervals. If you measure the same phenomenon more than once with the same instrument, method, and ambience, then you should get the same result. That is called reliability. Now comes validity. Validity is judged by whether you are measuring or explaining what you claim to be measuring or explaining. That means validity of data generation methods and validity of interpretation. Like whatever data I present, whether it is a valid data, whether I say can people judge it on the same parameters? Can people understand that on the same parameters? If they understand that in the same parameters, that is valid. If they don't understand on the same parameters, that is not valid. So this is related to reliability and validity. Reliability is more dependent on method, and validity is more dependent on the data. So this is what is very important as far as the research methodology, method, and techniques of research are concerned. So whenever we look at methodology or method or technique, we should not misunderstand them as one. They are different and they are looked at from different angles.